Dust and hard water stains over the plant leaves, especially on our houseplant leaves, block the shine and beauty. And it is quite annoying to look at, right? So in this video, I'm going to share a DIY leaf cleaning solution that not only cleans the dust and hard water stains, instantly shine up the plant leaves, but also has pesticide properties that help to reduce mealybug, aphids, and other sap-sucking insect infestation. Sounds amazing, right? So let's begin. 1 teaspoon of neem oil, and with neem oil, add a 1/6 teaspoon of horticultural soap or normal liquid soap or shampoo in a liter of water. Take the solution in a clean cotton and gently wipe the dust from the plant leaves as I'm doing. Here, neem oil works as an organic pesticide. It destroys the nervous system of pests. On the other hand, soap generally helps to break down the minerals that usually cause stains on the plant leaves. Also can remove sap-sucking insects. Here I clean both sides of the leaves because pests create their colonies usually on the back side of the leaves. And after cleaning, you can see the dust and hard water stains are gone and the leaves are shining. Although this solution is mild and safe to use, but overdose harms the plants, right? So it is better to avoid using an excessive amount of this solution, like you are cleaning the leaves several times a day. So let us know in the comment section what formula you like to use to cleaning and shining your plant leaves, or what you will recommend. If you like this video so far, then it will be highly appreciated if you hit that like button and also support this channel by subscribing to get more plant-related informative videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one. Take care.